How to remove a linked bank account from OneXBet. First of all, open the OneXBet app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Settings from the top right corner of the screen. Under the Account Management section, select Withdraw. This is where you will find all your saved withdrawal methods, including linked bank accounts. Look for the bank account you want to remove. Tap on it, and depending on your app version, you should see a small delete icon or a button labeled Remove or Delete. Tap on that option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the linked bank account. Confirm your action, and the bank account will be removed from your OneX withdrawal list. If you are unable to see the delete option, it could be due to a recent transaction or a pending withdrawal tied to that bank account. In that case, wait until the transaction is complete or switch your withdrawal method before attempting to remove it again. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a linked bank account from OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.